Welcome to RDO. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss class 10th maths trigonometry. See here, trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. First of all, in the previous classes, you know that identity. What do you mean by identity? See here, identity is that mathematical equation, which is an equation which is true for all the values of the variables in the equation. See here, in the previous class we learned a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Yes or no? If you are taking a and b values, the LHS value is equal to RHS or not, you can take any negative or positive values. It is true for each and every value. So that only you can see here an identity is that mathematical equation which is true for all the values. In the similar way, an identity equation having trigonometric ratios instead of a and b, you will get here trigonometric ratios. It may be sine, cos, tan, cot. Here, an identity equation having trigonometric ratios of an angle is called trigonometric identity, and it is true for the values of the angles involved it. See here, first identity, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Instead of a, you can take your theta also. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. See here, the three trigonometric identities. See here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And one more, see, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. But you can remember here, the angle is lies between 0 and 90 degrees. 0 and 90 degrees. See here, third one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. For here, theta is lies between 0 and 90 degrees. That means you can remember here, theta is in first quadrant. See here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These are very important, which will be useful in our exercise problems. From the first trigonometric identity, we can obtain, see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Once you can observe, if I am transposing cos square theta to RHS, see, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Yes or no? If I am transposing sin square theta to RHS, you will get, see, cos square theta is equal to, just you can transpose sin square to RHS, 1 minus sin square theta. Yes or no? These are the remaining two identities which can obtain here, which are very easy. See here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 means if I am transposing cos square theta to RHS, you will get sin square theta. If I am transposing sin square theta to RHS, you will get cos square theta value. Yes or no? In the similar way, we can obtain the remaining two trigonometric identity also. You can remember only these three identities only. If you are remembering these three trigonometric identities, we can do exercise problems very easily. See here, exercise 11.4, question number 1, evaluate the following. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. See here, I am writing in the basic ratios to tan. What do you mean definition of the tan here? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Sec theta means reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta means reciprocal of tan theta. That means you can see here, you will get basics definition as cos theta by sin theta. Cosec theta means it is the reciprocal of sin theta. Yes or no? Just you can write the basic values. See here, I am writing 1 plus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Yes or no? Plus here sec theta means 1 by cos theta. Yes or no? Yes. Just I am writing here definitions, basics, into 1 plus cos theta, that means 1 plus cot theta means you know that cos theta by here sin theta, cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta means you know that 1 by sin theta. Yes or no? Yes. See here LCM is cos theta, here also cos theta means you are getting LCM is how much? Cos theta only. See here, cos theta See here 1 into cos theta, you will get cos theta only. Cos theta plus you can add the numerators directly, plus sin theta plus 1 only. Sin theta plus 1 into, here what is the LCM here? Sin theta only. You can write here sin theta. You can directly write here 1 into sin theta, you will get sin theta only, sin theta plus you can write the remaining numerators as same, cos theta minus 1. Once you can observe here clearly, here cos theta plus sin theta, here also cos theta plus sin theta, yes or no? Here plus 1, here minus 1. Once you can observe here clearly, just you can take, assume here, this is just like A. Yes or no? Yes, this will be B. For example, this is also A, this will be B. See here, A plus B, A minus B. What is the basic definition? A plus B into A minus B. That means here A square minus B square or not? Yes. See here, first of all I am writing, see here cos theta plus sin theta, here plus 1 into, here also you can write sin theta plus cos theta can be written as cos theta plus sin theta. A plus B is equal to A plus B plus A, sir, no? Cos theta plus sin theta here minus 1 by, see here cos theta into sin theta, you can write here cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta. It's clearly A plus B into A minus B. You know that A square minus B square. That means you can write here cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 whole square by cos theta sin theta. See here, expand it. A plus B whole square formula, you know that A square, that means here cos square theta. Cos square theta plus sin theta whole square, sin square theta plus 2AB, that means 2 into cos theta into sin theta minus 1 square is 1 only by cos theta sin theta. Cos theta here sin theta. See here cos square theta plus sin square theta value will be equal to 1. Yes or no? 1 cancel. You will get here 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. That means you can simplify here C. See here cos square theta plus sin square theta. You know that this is an identity, trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 or not? Yes, you can substitute here. See 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta, 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. See here this is plus 1, this is minus 1, both should be cancelled. Yes or no? Yes. See here you will get the remaining 2 into cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. See here cos theta sin theta, here also cos theta sin theta, you can cancel it one time only. See here, that means 2 into 1 means you will get here 2 is your solution. 2 is your solution. See here one more problem, third one, sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. But you know that identities. What is the identity? See here, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Yes or no? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 means if I am transposing 1 to LHS, you can transpose tan square theta to RHS. Will you get sec square theta minus 1 is equal tan square theta or not? Yes. See here sec square theta minus 1 is equal to, you can write here tan square theta. In the similar way, one more identity. See here cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 means if I am transposing 1 to LHS, you can transpose cot square theta to RHS. You will get cosec square theta minus 1 is equal plus cot square theta. You will get here how much? Cot square theta only. You need to remember all the identities which are very very useful. See here, tan square theta into cot square theta. See here, tan square theta means you will get here sin theta by cos theta whole square only. Yes or no? See here, cot square theta means cos theta by sin theta whole square is equal. See here, sin theta whole square means sin square theta by cos theta whole square means cos square theta into cos square theta by sin square theta. See here sin square theta, here also sin square theta. You should cancel here cos square theta, cos square theta. That means you will get here 1 as your answer. See here also you can do directly. You know that cot is the reciprocal of tan or not? Yes, in the next step you can write here 1 by tan square theta. Tan square theta should be cancelled. You will get 1 or not? You can do anyway. You will get same answer as 1 is your solution. See here, very very useful from this identities. If you know the identities, you can do the problem very very easily so that you can remember all the identities. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 10th maths playlist videos.